That is shooting out of mud, water, and ice mixtured. Pretty cool. Yeah, again, it's like freezing cold out here. Ooh, unexpected paint can. Yeah, we use that for our ghetto jump because we just started doing this like last week. Do a burnout, nigga. You are fucking terrible, okay? I'll even flip it for you because you suck a fucking dick. It's called Go. You suck. He's gonna build up the jump. He's very gay. Ooh, it's so cold out here.
Fail.
Chase this car, don't wreck. Get the thing out the street. That's in the street. There's a car coming. Get the thing out the street, you dumbass. Get the thing out the street. Fucking retard.
Oh, are you kidding me?
See what he's doing over here? Him and his gay self. What are you doing?
I ruined the ESC.
Nuh-uh.
It's only half. Alright, babe? Alright? It's only half.
Okay.